Hey everyone! Welcome to Handmade Cars channel. I've made 4 little men from plasticine. They'll be kind of mafia figures. Well, this is a character from that quite funny video.
Где именно?
Шумиловский городок.
Кличка.
Мафиозник.
And these are his partners. What have I done it all for? I'll put these men into the red Mercedes, which is made from plasticine as well. After I put them all together in the car, we're gonna blow up the car. Since it's all made from plasticine, I guess it's gonna be blown quite realistically. It'll be epic. Guys, I'm already on the street. While I was carrying the Mercedes in a box, the wheels have become a bit dented because of the heat. It's 27 degrees outside in the sun, and the plasticine got very soft. Well, I'm gonna set it up, and we're gonna blow it up. I've placed this Mercedes with the mafia figures inside on the road. Now we're gonna blow it up. A powerful explosion has occurred. Let's see what happened to the Mercedes. The car body has become completely bent, and the rear wheel is also bent a lot. Since the plasticine is very soft, it got strongly warped when the firecracker exploded. The mafia figures inside the cabin have not suffered a lot. They are still sitting in their seats. The wheel and the hood have been blown away by the explosion. And now, I'll try to blow it up again. The explosion has been quite gripping, just like in the movies. The hood has flown off again, as usual. Well, it's been tough for this car. Moreover, it has flown up and has fallen on the front part, which has bent heavily on impact. And from below, you can see the traces of the explosion and how everything got smashed here. And of course, everything sticks to plasticine, different pebbles. It's been a pretty strong explosion, but the characters are still staying there. Although, what could happen to them? They're already stuck. From this side, you can see that the back door has flown off, and one of the men is holding the red shoes. Apparently, they have flown away by the explosion. The rear window has almost blown off, and now it's under the sun and it's getting some extra heat and gradually is melting and getting softer. Let's now set up the firecracker inside the cabin and blow it up from the inside. That's savage. It's trashed. I took the rear bumper and it's changing its shape in my hands since it's very soft. Even ants are crawling around the car after the explosion. As you can see, out of all characters, only the driver has remained in place. The rest of the characters have been blown up to the sides. The hood is slightly destroyed. Everything is being very soft as butter. The sun is warming the car a lot. Look, I found a little man. It's become skewed after the explosion. There is a part of the car over there, and there are some other parts lying around. In general, all these parts have been blown away from the Mercedes. There's little left from the Mercedes, the chassis, the front part, and the seats. Well, the explosion of this Mercedes, it's an experiment that I've carried out. I hope you liked watching plasticine explode. I have a lot of similar videos for you. So if you liked it, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and the quality of the plasticine cars will get better. I'll try my best. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, everyone.